Hello friends, I am Dr. Vivek Verma and I am Senior Consultant in Orthopedic Oncology at Max Hospital in Delhi, NCR. Bone and soft tissue tumors are very rare and they constitute only 1 to 2% of other cancers. So there is a little data and information as compared to other tumors. Because of rarity and the heterogeneous biology of these tumors, people are not very much aware about the right treatment protocols, the symptoms, the diagnosis, the management protocols. So I would like to share this presentation with you, which is on simple and basic topics about the bone cancer, how it is caused, what are the signs and symptoms, what are the treatment options we have, and what are the recent advances that we are doing. And it is just kept very simple for understanding. So first question that comes to our mind is, what is a bone tumor and what are the different types of bone tumors? So if we look at it in our unit, which is the orthopedic oncology or the musculoskeletal oncology unit, we primarily deal with all types of bone tumors. So bone tumors are something which arises from the part of the bone, like this is our femur, the thigh bone, and you can see here that there is an abnormal growth. So bone tumors. Then we have soft tissue tumors. These soft tissue tumors can arise from muscles, nerves or vessels, and they get their names accordingly. Like if the tumor arises from muscles, it is called leiomyosarcoma or leiomyoma. It may arise from nerves, neurofibroma. Similarly, from vessels, it can have angiosarcoma, like that. If we broadly talk about the type of bone tumors, there are of two types. One, the primary bone tumors, and the other is secondary or metastatic. Primary bone tumor means the tumor per se arises from a part of the bone. So it may, like say, this is the thigh bone, what you see, it may arise from any part. And broadly, it is of two types. One is the benign, and the other what we call is malignant. There is a difference between benign and malignant variety, which is upon their biological behavior, their treatment modalities. Benign means these tumors are usually not life-threatening. They are slow growing. They arise in the bone. Sometimes they remain like that. They are slow growing. They remain like that throughout life. Sometimes they are locally aggressive, which are intermediate grade tumors. The benign ones are like osteochondroma. They remain like that throughout the life. The locally aggressive varieties, like you have giant cell tumors, you have bone cyst, aneurysmal bone cyst, and the malignant ones, which are more dangerous ones, are very aggressive type of tumors that grow rapidly. They destroy the bone, and if not treated in time, it can even spread to other parts of the body, which is called metastasis, and it can prove to be life-threatening. And if even not only life-threatening, but if it grows and is locally aggressive, it can destroy the affected part, which may have to undergo amputation. In simple terms, we call these malignant tumors as cancer, and more scientifically, the tumors arising from the connective tissues are called as sarcomas. There is also some confusion related to different terminologies. We hear the word tumor interchangeably with cancer, but these are two different terminologies. Actually, the word tumor, it means any abnormal growth. So any tissue which grows out of proportion to the surrounding tissues can be called uncoordinated, and abnormal growth can be called as a tumor. It can be a benign tumor or it can be a malignant tumor. And like I said, the malignant one is something which in a layman language we call them as cancer or sarcoma. Then what are these secondary tumor or metastatic tumors? So with this means sometimes we see a fracture in the bone, especially in elderly population. We see that there is a fracture in the spine, and the diagnosis comes as a metastatic bone tumor. This means that the tumor is arising from some another organ and then it is spreading to the bones and causing its weakening and fracture. So which are the common organs from where these tumors arise? So most commonly in female, it is the breast cancer which spreads to bones. In male, it may be a prostate cancer. Then we have thyroid cancers which can spread commonly to the bones. Then we have lung and kidney. In fact, any organ can spread out, but in more than 80% of the cases, commonly we see that the primary source of origin is from these structures.